Yo, what's up guys, this is Bart Bragman here from IKEoptionWiki.com today with another strategy video, a pattern video. We're gonna talk today about railway tracks candles. We talked about the Bullies and Gelfing candle, the doji and the pin bars, and today we're gonna talk about the railway tracks, which is a pattern that is used on a slightly longer time frame than the other patterns, reversal patterns we have discussed in previous videos. So let's dive into our website here. 1 second. It's called railway pattern because it looks like a railway. As you see here, the tweezer bottom and top. So basically what it is a red candle followed with a green candle for an uptrend, and you can basically draw a support line on those two candles. And for the downtrend as well, you start with a green candle then followed by a red candle, and you can draw a resistance line on there, and that can mean the trend reversal. Here are two examples. So this pattern is best to use for a 15-minute long trade or even longer, because you need this pattern to develop, and then after the pattern you need some momentum to keep to get the trend in motion. Let's go to the IKEoption platform and look at some examples of this pattern. So now in the IKEoption platform we're going to look at some examples here. The first one, this is a beautiful one. Let's draw it here with a yellow line. You see here two candles perfectly cut off next to each other, and if you put the resistance line there, you can see that a nice downtrend occurs after this pattern appears, and even right next to that here. Let me clone that one. You see here, you can use it again. We can take the top here. We could take that as a railway pattern. It's not so beautiful, but it does give us a little bit of railway. And we can use that as a reversal point. Here we have two very short after each other. Here we have one, and then here below that there's another one, and we clone that line again 2 times. We could also put a line here, and we can also put the line here. So you see this railway track pattern occurs pretty much often. There's another beautiful one up there. We could take that one as a railway pattern as well. So it's a good pattern to look for. It's a pattern, so it will not always work 100% of the time, but it is a very good pattern to scout for when you want to scout for a trend reversal. Like I said, it's best to take a 15-minute or longer trade after this pattern occurs, because it can take a few minutes before the trend develops in your favor. But it's an important pattern to scout for, and I think it's very important that you guys know about this. That's why I shooted this video. That was it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you want to see more, or you have topics you want to request, please put some comments in the description down below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. This was Bart.